Samsung topped the chart with the Galaxy S23 Ultra and we started getting some confirmed news regarding the Z Fold 5. And interesting to say, you guys might get disappointed about this thing not coming to the Fold 5, and that is the new processor. A lot of people were confused about this, why, and here's a big reason behind it. Little bit of backstory. Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 last year, which brings great numbers in performance and power efficiency compared to the normal Snapdragon Gen 1. But this time, as per news on Weibo, Qualcomm is going out with the new Snapdragon Gen 3 somewhere in October or early November before the launch of Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Also, Samsung already put the overclocked Snapdragon Gen 2 in S23 lineup, so chances are there we are going to see the same processor in Fold 5. So if you are waiting for Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2, then probably it's not coming. Consider subscribing for more updates, and let me know in the comments what features do you want to see in the Fold 5. To be honest, Snapdragon Gen 2 is already a champ when it comes to performance and power efficiency, so we might not see a newer version of a processor for the Fold 5, although there are other changes we might see in the Fold 5 which you guys would like to have on the Fold 4, and one among them is new hinge design. Yes, Samsung is going to put a new teardrop hinge design on Fold 5, just like the Apple Find N2 and Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. So there will be no gap if the phone is folded. There was a reason why Samsung didn't put this hinge before, because of IPX8. Samsung filed a patent for this design in 2016, so now they're putting IPX8 rating on it to make the Fold 5 a water-resistant phone. Some rumors are also talking about the built-in S Pen, but as a safe guess, it will be difficult for Samsung to put the S Pen in Fold 5, just because of space limitation. And we want the bigger battery, which for now no chance to get, but if Samsung uses the stacking technology for the Fold 5 battery, then we may see a bigger battery around 5000 mAh on Fold 5. If you guys want to see the battery life of S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.